In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install a font from DaFont and use it in Figma. We'll walk through finding a font on dafont.com, installing it on your computer, and then applying it inside Figma, all in a clear, easy flow. First, open your web browser and go to dafont.com. Browse the categories or use the search bar to find a style you like. You can preview how a font looks by typing your own words in the preview box, and it's always a good idea to check the licensing note on the font's page so you know how you're allowed to use it. When you've decided, look to the right side of that font's page and click Download. After the download finishes, open your browser's Downloads menu, usually in the upper right. Click the new download there, then choose Show in Folder so you can work with the actual file. You'll see a compressed zip file. Right-click that file and choose Extract to unzip it. This creates a new folder with the font files inside. Open the extracted folder and double-click the font file, typically ending in .tf or .otf. A preview window will open showing the characters. Click Install at the top of that window and give it a moment to complete. Once the Install button grays out or says Installed, the font is now added to your system and available to apps that use system fonts. Next, go to Figma. If Figma is already open, close all Figma windows so it can refresh your font list. Then open your Start menu, search for Figma, and click Figma to launch it again. When Figma opens, go back to the project you were working on earlier. Select the text tool or click on an existing text layer to edit it. Open the font dropdown in the right-hand panel, then scroll or type the name to find the font you downloaded. Fonts are listed alphabetically, and if the family includes multiple styles like regular or bold, you'll see them grouped. Click the font to apply it to your text and adjust size, weight, and spacing as needed. That's it. You downloaded a font from dafont.com, installed it, relaunched Figma, and applied the new typeface in your design. Use the same process anytime you want to expand your font library and keep your projects looking exactly the way you imagine.